the golden secrets of drawing. Improve fine motor skills. It's obvious, really. The more you draw, the more you manipulate a pen or pencil with your hands, so the more your fine motor skills will improve. The brain works on different levels of consciousness. There is a phenomenon called muscle memory. As you draw, you rehearse and fix ways of making lines and shapes into your memory for next time. The more you practice, the more the subconscious areas of your brain take over the hard graft of making marks. Your conscious brain is then free to do the clever bit of translating what you see or imagine into the lines and shapes of your drawing. Your muscle memory makes the marks without you having to consciously think about them. The subconscious part of drawing is what becomes your style, like a recognizable handwriting style is built up through daily practice, which is otherwise known as writing essays and reports. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a paper aeroplane? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.